This is Prime's brand new drink, Meta Moon, and they actually texted me and told me I have 24 hours to shoot it into space or else terrible things are gonna happen to me. Starting now. We're currently on the way to my house to go pick up the drone, and now the plan is right now is to get the Prime and put it on the drone, and then I fly that drone into space. All right, Nick, what do you have to say about this?
What do you want me to say?
So I've went ahead and built this extremely complex mechanism to fly the Prime right into space. Whoa!
No. Nathan, come on.
Whoa, it's working!
Oh my God!
Oh no. It's all tangled up. All right, so that clearly did not work. So now it's time for plan B. So I was thinking on the way here, instead of flying it to space, why not shoot it into space? So that's why we are at Home Depot. So yeah, we're just gonna look for things to build a cannon and then build that cannon within this time frame.
So let's get right into it.
All right, we're back from Home Depot and I picked up this giant gallon jug. And now the idea with this is I'm gonna plug this hose into the end of the blowtorch, then this will plug into here, and then this will serve as like a giant combustion chamber for the gas to explode in. So we're gonna probably fill it up for like a minute with gas, spark it, and then this is gonna go right here. This is the same size as the Prime bottle. Oops. This will be facing straight directly at the moon. We have our astrology team calculating the exact angle right now as we speak. So with that said, I think it's time to start building. All right, we got the Prime cannon all done. And now before I shoot it into space, I'm gonna do a few tests shooting it at some objects. Now we got cups. I'll probably shoot it at some cups. Well, I will shoot it at cups. I'll shoot it at this Arizona and a box. This is the final shot. We're gonna shoot it right at the moon. Now, the team of astrophysicists behind the camera, they did some off-camera work and said, if it's right here, it should hit the moon. So, let's shoot it then. All right, I'm scared because we've had the gas going for like 3 minutes straight now, so it's probably really full. All right, what were you doing there?
It went to the moon.
Oh, look it! it, guys. Look at it's on the moon.
It went to the moon.
What?
Holy.
It's on the moon.
Wow.
I think that's a success.
Jeez.
So we just needed a lot of gas and then. Okay, yeah.
We're
All
done.
right, I'll do the outro in the car. So this is the time right now. We actually, we had exactly 1 second to spare before we got it to the moon, I think. Let me know in the comments if you guys liked the shorter style video that didn't take months to make, because I literally just did all of this today. Shout out to the cameraman, the man behind the camera, Nick. Go to his go to my description, click on the link to his channel, and then give him a subscribe and a like also. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time, I think.